Hi, Alex.
Hi.
Ako rana na nagdalain. Ilo easy. Hey, Rod, did you man? Where you go back?
I go back to Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Um,
Yeah, I know Hawaii. Where? Come on, man. What you doing?
Hey, Waimea.
Waimea. Woohoo. Hey, Alex, is it true that Waimea is the coolest place in Hawaii? Oh.
You know, like when you wake up, and you have air conditioning. When you guys wake up because it's hot over here, you guys are really cold.
Yeah.
In my place, I turn on the fan. Some of you guys might get really cold once you get up. Me, I feel warm. Cause I'm used to the cold. Cause I live in Waimea. It's always cold.
Hmm. Right.
In the winter, it becomes so cold that if you breathe, it literally looks like there's smoke coming out. That's how cold it is.
True. Today's the last day.
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Congratulate.
I'm 6 going to 7.
27. What you eating?
Cereal.
I'm on region.
Good.
I'm gonna go movie on. What a movie?
Yeah.
Is it a very long?
Very big.
Or popcorn? You eat popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah? Kaya guardal?
Me, uncle, auntie, and Nomi.
Yes. Tomorrow you going back?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna miss us?
Yes.
You have fun yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. I like Rhino and Rain, watching them. Rhino and Hawaii did you ever seen No. Huh? Oh. Seahawks, 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 Seahawks. Alright, sedang kebuka. Si Ranger. Nakaputyo to. Oh, mga rara. Hey, Nami?
She got kidnapped.
Well, look for your sister, huh? Huh?
Oh no, there's Walmart place. Give me your phone. Here, I want to record.
이게 이분 맞죠? 약간. Kalau cerai itu berhenti kan, mereka gimana kan? Mis dua kan minum. Jadi kabel karube, kalam mana kan? Kalau orang cerita kan? Mami. Iya. Ano ka na yung warik-warik siya guys?
I found her. She's not kidnapped.
This is what?
She's not kidnapped. Guys. We're doing her.
Chơi thôi. Oh yeah, macet. Mulai. Iyan rally, miyan kuila ko royal kabugay ni kajuman. So,
I don't know. I don't have money. Oh my dad. I'm broke. Stupid. Me and Naomi are like in our are like 15.
go, 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 go. Go, Ella, go.
In our car.
Ay.
If they
Okay. Mommy, come. Oh, come on. Ayan ang siya doon mo.
Do you think 4 is enough? I need a whole year to be satisfied.
3X shirt. Okay? You guys gotta help me, okay?
No.
If we find one, we go McDonald's. Huh?
Find one what? A shirt?
Shirt. 3X large.
And when I find it, can I have Starbucks?
Okay, you guys gotta help me. Okay?
Bro.
Let's go. Ano yun dyan? 누구니? 저 3x, 2x.
Hey. You can get it, but I'm not worried about you.
뭐라고? 3x. 가볍. 마미야, 가볍 3x.
Where? Oh, I found one that's fat.
미디엄, 미디엄.
Oh. I found X large.
제든jar. Oh, pick up one.
This is not the one that you're looking for. It's small.
It's too small. I found him.
Hi, we're currently here playing dress up because we're bored and we don't know what to do with our lives.
غيره شيلوه غيره غيره
Oh, wait, what kind is
ولا
that?
بنتي 3x يا غد تيودين ترى ನಾನು ಕಜಲ ಮಮಾಂಡ್ರದನೇಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿರೋದನಾಗ ಮಮಾಂಡ್ರದನೇಮೆ
Naruto.
نومي عجمر رجين وينتر
It's almost winter. I'm getting this.
أي مماندردنേമെ ആയതും ഇനിയാ മകനെ കിലിപൻ പുന്നിയറോ 3x ജോകന എന എമനക ആലമക ആലമെഞ്ചി പർച്ചേത 3x ജാകക്കല kala tiadin jar ko ro nang ro ya ka turi ya ka jalo mina ja ka mo de ro ka jallo lo şunu kalar polu
Yeah, picture me.
you guys take those back
I told you were gonna see me being an idiot in this film.
you guys want to eat McDonald's or you guys
McDonald's.
Starbucks.
buying our clothes
McDonald's for me, Starbucks for Nomi.
okay
I'm gonna go with them.
return that no me jin jamar
It's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone in winter.
darana bag winterum jedum ya
But it's so cold now.
غير غير you got
We got Nomi. Welcome to Alex's World, starring Nomi looking at something, Uncle holding the phone, and me being an idiot.
let's go Nami hey take that back
$9.
hey take it back no man take it back Okay. Let's do this.
Gonna find that one, make sure that she's beautiful inside. Cause you can see the truth and no realness to her eyes. And if she gives you butterflies, she's the kind that'll always be there by your side. So listen to me now, I'm so deeply in love. I think I found one to spoil with a lifetime support of kisses and hugs. I'm pretty sure I found the one. She's my moon, my star, my sun. She gives me life.
He knows me better than I know myself. I'm his one and only, even though at times I can't help but to think that this was meant to be. It was destiny. You are my everything. I'm so deeply in love. I think I found the one to spoil with a lifetime support of kisses and hugs. I'm pretty sure I found the one. He's my moon, my star, my sun. He gives me.
Jalan.
This is the church. This is where we're gonna be celebrating.
Rosita? Rosita?
I'm working until I bleed. This is called the hallway. This is a pretty good hallway. Okay, dude, that's it for my TikTok. I'm gonna go now.
Vedi trovano. One more.
Oh, that's it. More. That's it. I forgot the rest of it. Maybe because I'm in front of a wall. To the God of the mountains, I belong to the God of the seas. I belong to the God of the universe, and He belongs to me. I would also like to thank all of you guys for the fun time in the island over here. I do not know. You're the interpreter here. Okay, tell me what to say. He's the interpreter. He's gonna tell me what to say. Then, Yanin. Anilin Gajramon. Olive. Come Okay, English now. I would like to say thank you for everyone on this island. For the fun times, the family, the friends, the food.
We're in a country, not an island.
Oh, sorry, I'm an islander, so I'm used to saying island. The food. And the food. That is it for my TED Talk. I love you guys. See you guys probably next summer. Thank you, everyone. I love you.
Thank you,
Orang kamu ni juga ingin memberikan baik. Era kamu cuci kita ramai nanti. Cuci campur nanti. Kadang pijen ko, enam anikat kalaya jual daman. Kalau kot cuan ane dengan pijen, ayo dengan cuayo. Dengan cuayo, cuneo. Ini cuayo dengan kawai. Ini ni kalau boleh terawat dengan terbijan tinyo agar kering wajib benin taruh taman jam karena itu tidak mau. Nak cuci begini ni juga tadi agar itu jadi plan. Bagaimana begini elok cuci begini kalau tak tahu ini. Nyala kali namanya.
Bye now, man. I am really sleepy right now. It's almost like I'm drunk.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby when you need a friend. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Come along with me and don't be scared. I just want set you free. Come on, come on, come on. You and me will make it anywhere. For now, we can stay here for a while. 'Cause you know, I just wanna see you smile. No matter where you go, no, you're not alone. I'm only one call away, and I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. And when you're weak, I'll be strong. I'm gonna keep holding on. Now don't you worry. Now when you feel like hope is gone,
Kaya lang ako. Sino online? Sino nag-alak? Alak iya. Yuk, nagpatinino eh. Wow. Kemana ya? Ingin it saggy.
Please be aware of your surroundings. Immediately report anyone who is acting strangely or suspiciously, and keep your luggage with you at all times.
Tuloy ko na bro. Ano naman yan? Ha? Balat. Is it dyan eh? Ha?
It is very good. Oh, I'm really sleepy right now.
Is it Chamarro? Is it?
It was good. It was fun. I like it. It was fun. I'm really sleepy though, so I might say some stupid stuff.
Okay. Siapa yang nak aku ni guys? Shaggy ni mereka kamu ni. What? Dalaman. Yan mo ito kayo, pagkain ng mga tujuh umarin. Alec, you want to say a last word?
Huh? Oh, my last words. Cancer.
Kaya, give me a hug. Love you, huh? Take care. Listen to your mom and dad, okay? Eh?
I know I will see you.
Fluffy.
Okay? Bye. Bye.
These are my parting words. Cancer.
Good. Yellow orange you. Bye. Bye bye. 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 There we go. Kijk die regero.
Oh no.
Hey, camera. Woo.